Now that I have shown where mental math comes up in your everyday life, it's time to see some specific examples. Our first example is going to be 32% of 50. What many people might not know is that 32% of 50 is the same thing as 50% of 32. So this means that we just divide 32 by 2 and we get 16, and that is our answer. Next question, if we have $15 and at a meal at a restaurant, how much should we tip if we're tipping 20%? Well, that's easy. You take 20%. But people are like, oh my God, how do you do that? Well, what you can do is 20 is the same thing as 10 times 2. So, watch. If we divide by 10, meaning we get 1.5, and we double it, 3, that is how much tip we should be paying. We should be leaving a $3 tip. The next topic we talked about was hourly wage. Let's say you make, $20,000 a year. The average American works around 2,000 hours a year. So if we divide this number by 2,000, we'll be left with 20 divided by 2 is 10. So you're making $10 an hour roughly for the whole year. A bigger example would be if you're making 300,000 in a year. If you divide this by 2,000, 300 divided by 2 is 150. So you're making roughly $150. The final example was the rule of 72, which states if you have an interest rate, you can divide that by 72 and you'll get how long it will take for your money to double. So let's say we have a 3% interest rate and a 6% interest rate. So we just do 72 divided by 3. And so it would take us 24 years to double our money. And in this example, it would take us 12 years to double our money. So I hope you enjoyed these specific examples.